Students, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing great. I am Ankita Rawat. Today I welcome you all at our channel, that is Adda 247. And in today's session we again have an achiever with us. आप सबको पता ही होगा MH से 3 ईयर का रिजल्ट ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर हो चुका है और आज हमारे साथ जुड़ी हैं उसी की एक टॉपर हमारी चैतन्या. How are you, Chaitanya?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also great. I'm also great. How do you feel right now?
Actually, I'm not believing. I'm in the phase like result is yet to be declared.
ओके ओके सो चैतन्य, एक बार जस्ट हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए आई वुड लाइक यू टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन अपने बारे में, ठीक है? अपना नेम, एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड और क्या आपका रिजल्ट रहा है उसके बारे में मेंशन कीजिएगा.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chaitanya Dhruv. Basically, I completed my graduation in BA History from Ferguson College. So I was at Pune for my studies, and I gave MSCET for pursuing LLB, 3 years LLB. So in that, I scored 99.025 percentile, and that's it.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच चैतन्य. ओके चैतन्य, तो अभी जैसा आपने बोला था, यू सेड दैट इट इज क्वाइट अनबिलीवेबल फॉर यू टू
Yeah.
बिलीव कि आपका इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है यहाँ पे. हाँ, तो कैसा था, मतलब ऐसा अनबिलीवेबल कैसा हो गया? मतलब एकेडमिक्स में आई बिलीव कि अगर इतना बढ़िया रिजल्ट आया तो ऑलरेडी आप लोग अच्छे ही रहे होगे. क्या था ऐसी
Yeah.
चीज एग्जैक्टली कि उसने आपको ऐसा बिल्कुल ही ऐसा रख दिया था कि हाँ भाई, मेरे लिए तो काफी अनबिलीवेबल था.
Actually, a few days before 5 years LLB result was also declared now. So in that also the score and percentile of the students were not matching, and many students were complaining about it. So I was kind of worried, like would my score match with the percentile, or would I get the college that I desired for? So it was a long journey. Like the thinking process was a lot in that also, particularly.
Okay, so basically this duration of result declaration,
Yeah.
that is something that that gave you some toil कि हाँ भाई क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. मेरी
Yeah.
expectations तो अच्छी ही हैं, मतलब you were
Yeah.
expecting, but the kind of results that MS at 5 year LLB got, so उस
Yeah.
चीज को देख के you were a bit afraid, right?
Bit
Okay.
afraid also, and kind of thing was like they were basically going to declare the result on 17th, and they
Hmm.
postponed it to 20, and that was a tragic for students a lot, and all the students were complaining regarding that.
There was quite a big
Yeah.
suspense behind this result.
Yeah, and if we are talking about the slots, like there were four slot, I guess, for the MSCT LLB.
Mhm.
So some were saying that the slot one was easy, slot two was difficult, and kind of normalization process was something that was not in our hand. It
Hmm.
was the thing that we gave 100% there, but we don't know what would be the results at the end. That's why I was kind of worried about the result.
Okay, okay. So, anyways, we got good results, right?
Yeah,
And particularly, I would say that your hard work paid off, right?
yeah.
It paid off somehow. It paid off. So, what was your exact strategy that you followed while you were preparing for your examination? A brief idea of that strategy.
I actually joined the Mukam batch of the Adda 247. Maybe it started in September, October, I guess. So
Mhm.
basically, I just attended the lectures. I was not able to attend the live lecture, so I attended it. I used to join it recorded and attend it like that. And then I used to attend the lecture. I used to solve the practice papers that they were giving, like the material, that e-books that were kind of helpful for me, and give me the idea that what kind of questions are about to ask in the exam. And actually, the level of the questions that they give in the mocks now, they were a bit difficult than the exam. Like we haven't guessed that. I was thinking like that may be the level, but no, exam was quite easier than the mocks. So basically, if students are preparing and giving the mocks, if they are scoring good in the mocks, so surely they will score good in the exams. What I did. And most importantly, it was not I used to study. Actually, I'm the UPSC aspirant as well. So I have to balance both. So kind of I used to I gave my consistency in that, not lot of time, but daily I used to do somewhat things for the law.
Right, right. So here you mentioned that thing. Firstly, I would like to highlight two things that you mentioned. One thing was that aiming for the stars, like aiming for the moon, and you will definitely land upon the stars. It was
Yeah.
something like that. कि आप उससे भी आगे लेवल का अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं जो उसके नीचे का लेवल
Yeah.
होगा, that is going to be easier for you और उसको आप आसानी से कर लोगे. And apart from that, the second thing that you mentioned, it was your consistency. And I feel here is exactly where students lack कई बार कि
Yeah.
right? Ki no matter how much good of you are in academics, if you're not consistent, so that effort is wasted, right? So that consistency is
Even the
exactly.
teachers, even Rohit sir, he was always updating me with the stuff like now this is the new video uploaded or new batch uploaded, new question papers, or they were taking the live sessions many times. So he was like, I don't need to worry about the kind of stuff like I have to think something else. He was guiding all the time. So that was the main aspect I thought.
Okay, so your teachers were also very very helpful. I would say
Very
खास
helpful.
रोहित sir तो बहुत ज़्यादा helpful रहे हैं आपकी इस
Was
journey.
that?
Right. Okay. So इसके अलावा जैसा आपने mention किया you are UPSC aspirant as well. You completed your graduation?
Yeah, I completed my graduation
Or
last
did
year.
you take any drop for this particular exam?
Actually, I took a drop for UPSC.
Okay.
So now this year I have to join for LLB. So that's why this year only I gave exam
Okay,
MSc.
okay. Okay, okay. So you took a drop for UPSC and ultimately you gave your LLB exam as well. You qualified your MHSET and we are hopeful that you'll be qualifying UPSC soon. Right. So for that, I would just like to ask you that what was kind of schedule that you were following for it in terms of managing your UPSC preparation and along with that your LLB preparation?
I was done with my classes of UPSC, so now the thing was just remaining with the studies.
Mhm.
So I was dividing my slots, like morning and half shift of the like up to 2 o'clock studying for UPSC. Actually, the thing was mostly the syllabus, like GK and current affair part of UPSC and MSCT, they were coinciding. There was no need of doing it separately.
Mhm.
Even also logical reasoning was. The part apart was legal aptitude and English if we have to go for detailing. So that part I used to do it at night.
Right.
Basically, I was studying for UPSC in morning and kind of up to 2 p.m. After that, I was continuing with MSc detailing.
Okay.
Lectures and all I used to attend at night, recorded sessions.
Mhm. Fine, fine. So there was a clarity, like you divided your day, and I think that is quite, I would say, strategic if in terms of your preparation and balancing out both the things. So that was good. Okay, so you told me you were from your entire preparation and the way you have explained your strategy, I can make out that you're a very hardworking person, right? So I would say that you were with yourself. Your teachers were very supportive. Now I would like to know what kind of role your parents, your family, or your friends have played in this journey.
My parents are like they are very supporting. They are never criticizing me for any kind of anything. I said to them, and then they were like, "Yes, okay, fine, we are with you. Go ahead." So they didn't ask me like, "What are you preparing for?" Like everything is going well or what. They were just like, "If you are doing, we know that you will do it good. Just go ahead." And my friends also, they were always with me. Like we used to discuss lot of topics together, lot of stuff, and all that kind of stuff.
Yes, so I think this kind of support when you
All
have,
my friends and my family.
yes.
Yeah, every student require like if you are giving your hard work, you require support from your parents, your friends, and your colleagues as well. That's very important.
Yes, yes. So this is exactly right. Apart from your hard work, if you have, that mental support, those blessings of your parents, that support by your friends and the people around you, so that certainly has that positive impact. And वो जो inner motivation आती है फिर अंदर से
Yeah,
तो फिर वो कहीं ना कहीं वो आपके action में दिखी जाती है, right? So that is amazing, amazing.
yeah.
Very, I would say that you were.
Motivation parents देखी आ जाती है.
Right, yes. So you were guided properly,
Motivation
you
parents
were
देखी आ
getting
जाती
that
है.
motivation as well, and everything was well. Right. Okay. So, fine. So I got an idea exactly. Like you strategized everything very well. You are hardworking as well. You got that supportive, I would say, family, supportive friends, and everything was good. Anything, any moment, difficult moment in your this preparation while you were preparing for this your exam, or any particular moment where you felt that I don't know whether I'll be able to do it or something like that. Anything challenging that was hampering your journey.
Yes, actually um, the exam was postponed, I guess, 1 month. It was delayed a month. Though that was a point of time, like I was like I prepared my schedule according to the exam. So if it's delayed, to that month was a lag between. So many students are like, they are like कि बाबा हम अभी नहीं करते हैं या फिर we will stop here, that kind of stuff. So that I think I lost my 4 to 5 days in that. I was lagging for that stuff, but then I regained again. I was back to studies, and I was like, okay, now I have to prepare again back. I have to start my schedule also. And as if most important part of my journey was like if you're preparing for UPSC and then also you're preparing for MSCED. So many people would say to you like, why you're preparing, why you're giving law. You
Exactly,
have to
exactly.
prepare for this, and you should prepare for that only. But it's not like that. That's not a step. You should have your plan B always. And law is of my interest and I like it. And that's the kind of stuff. UPSC I would never stop, but this is what I want.
Okay, okay. So that is a kind of something that, and exactly that is how things should be. That if you wish to do something,
Yeah.
you should just go for it. It isn't that why and what, that doesn't matter. I just want to do it, and you did it very well, very well. Okay, so fine, right? And you said that at that particular moment, that delay that you had during your for your written examination, in that case, that was the time when you were little bit distracted, a bit of distracted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but apart from that, as you people know that today we have good access to internet, right? And we have a good access to technology, everything. So do you think that this technology has somewhere made it easy for students to clear their examination, or is it has made it more challenging?
It has made it easier as well. But it depends on the student in what way they are using technology. Like if you have discipline in yourself, then you can use it perfectly without any waste of time. Or else many students think that um, like attending offline classes would make them more disciplined or would give them more concentration. Using technology totally depends on student. Like अगर बच्चा online classes attend कर रहा है and if they are using or joining it with discipline and they are concentrating on that, then technology would help like 100%. But अगर आप classes attend कर रहे हो attend करने के time सो रहे हो, it's of no use then. तो वो attend करके फायदा नहीं. तो it totally depends on student in what way they are taking that.
Fine, fine, fine. So here, this is also one point, right? Like तुम कैसे use करते हो उस technology को? And I would like to highlight one more point here. अब क्योंकि technology आ गई है, internet आ गया, तो वही चीज़ है. Competition भी उतना ही बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि सबके पास resources हैं, है ना? और सबके पास
Yeah.
resources हैं, बट वही है कि कौन उन resources को सही तरीके से use कर पा रहा है, वो आगे निकल जाएगा, right? So यहाँ पे making right choice and taking right decision, how you're supposed to use the resources around you, also plays a very important role, I would say. Right. So amazing, amazing. So अभी तो आपका जो है रिजल्ट आ गया है, सब कुछ हो गया है, आपकी पूरी मेहनत वगैरह वो कहीं ना कहीं रंग लाई है. तो anything specific that you are waiting for right now?
I'm waiting for the cap round to start and waiting for which college I would get. Actually, I'm aspiring for GLC. Let's
Okay.
hope that I would get that.
Yes, bilkul, bilkul. My wishes are with you, Chaitanya. So this was an amazing session I had with you, Chaitanya. Really, really, it was an amazing session that I met you. I got to talk to you, and seeing this journey of yours, understanding how this entire, I would say, journey has been for you, the way you were expressing each and everything. That clearly shows that yes, how much dedication and how much of efforts you have put in this particular journey. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much for being here. And anything that you would like to say to the audience, for the audience, to the audience.
I would just say be consistent in your efforts, don't lag in between, and just bring positivity in your studies. Don't think negative about anything else. Just focus on what you want to do and what you want to achieve. And जब भी आपको लगे like if you're lagging, so just think like why you are there and what you want. At that point, everything would be cleared and you will go ahead. That's it.
Thank you so much, Chaitanya. Thank you so much. Okay. सर हो गया है, डन। ठीक है। सो चैतन्य, आई जस्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इंटरव्यू पार्ट, मैं बस बोलना चाहूंगी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके, आपसे बात करके, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे
Same
मिलकर,
here,
अभी तक तो
same
वो
here.
फॉर्मल। ठीक है। तो
What?
मैं बस ये बोलना चाह रही हूँ, क्योंकि ये अभी नेटवर्क का इशू हो रहा है आई थिंक ना, उसके कारण काफ़ी थोड़ा सा लैगिंग हो रही है, हमारी वॉइस लेट आ रही है। बट मैं ये बोल रही हूँ आपको कि बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आपसे मिलके और बात करके। ठीक है। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू तो हो गया हमारा वो जो था पॉडकास्ट, दैट वाज डन। बट इन एंड ऑल, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, एज ए टीचर आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू राइट नाउ, एज योर टीचर, जस्ट नॉर्मली बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आपने सारी चीज़ें बताई हैं यहाँ पे। ठीक है। और इसी तरीके से ये जो है आपके अंदर की, ये जो पॉजिटिविटी है, ये जो cheerfulness है, ठीक है, ये जो डेडिकेशन है, सब कुछ का एक जो मिक्सचर है, ये ऐसे ही बनाए रखना। ठीक है। नो मैटर व्हाट
Same,
हैपेंस,
ma'am.
डू नॉट
Really,
लेट
thank
इट
you.
फेड अवे।
Same here, felt very good to talk with you here as well as Adda 247. Like it was very supportive through all my journey. Really, thank you for all the team being
वेरी,
part of it.
चलो फिर, ओके, सो
Yeah.
ऑल द बेस्ट एंड होप वी मीट अगेन सम टाइम। ओके, चलो।
Bye.